In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your region settings in Google Search on your computer using Google Chrome. This can be quite useful if you're looking for region-specific search results or just want to tailor your search experience to another country. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your computer. If it's already your go-to browser, this will be a breeze. Once you have it open, navigate over to google.com. This is where the magic happens. Now, if you take a look at the bottom right corner of the Google homepage, you'll see the option labeled Settings. Sometimes, depending on how your screen is set up or if your window isn't maximized, you might not see it immediately. In that case, take a glance at the upper right corner for a little gear icon. Seeing that little gear gives you a hint. It's the door to all your search preference needs. Once you've accessed the Settings menu, you need to select Search Settings. This option will guide you through customizing your Google search experience. As you get to this menu, let's direct our attention to the left-hand side panel. You'll see a list of options, and we're looking for one that says Other Settings. It's under this category where you can start tailoring your Google search to a different region. When you click on Other Settings, you'll see Language and Region. This section is particularly important for refining where your search results originate or ensuring that your queries reflect content from the specific part of the world you're interested in. Once there, find the Region settings. Here, you get to choose the region you want Google to use when conducting searches. For example, selecting United States can ensure that your results are tailored to what's most relevant there. After you've made your selection, it's essential not to forget this final step. Scroll all the way down until you find the Confirm button. Clicking this will save the changes you've made. It's easy to overlook, but confirming it ensures everything is set up just as you want it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully customized the regional settings of your Google search. Whether this helps you with business, research, or just exploring content from a different corner of the world, your newly tailored experience is now at your fingertips. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to check out other tips on getting the most out of your internet experience.